Welcome to Hindustan Times, where today we explore a weapon that doesn't just defend, it dominates. The 2026 configuration of this advanced interceptor represents the future of modern warfare, engineered to strike faster, farther, and with more destructive certainty than anything that came before it. In an age where threats travel at extreme speeds and attack from impossible angles, this missile rises as the answer built to detect, pursue, and destroy the enemy long before they ever reach friendly forces. Every part of its design reflects a single purpose: overwhelming power delivered with extreme precision. The upgraded 2026 model pushes its performance far beyond traditional standards. Its enhanced propulsion system allows it to reach incredible distances in record time, covering hundreds of kilometers with controlled, lethal acceleration. When it launches, the initial booster ignites with a burst of raw force, lifting the missile into its attack path with crushing momentum. This thrust is powerful enough to cut through harsh winds, high-altitude pressure, and defensive maneuvers from enemy aircraft. Once in flight, the missile locks into its highest-speed chase mode, maintaining stability while moving at speeds that make escape nearly impossible. What sets this system apart is the way it hunts its target. The 2026 Seeker upgrade gives it the ability to spot enemy aircraft, cruise missiles, and even maneuvering ballistic threats from extreme range. It doesn't rely on a simple straight-line trajectory. Instead, it behaves like an intelligent predator, reading the enemy's flight path and adjusting its direction in real time. If the target dives low to hide near the ocean surface, this missile follows. If the enemy climbs sharply and to high altitude, it climbs faster. If the target attempts sharp turns or unpredictable maneuvers, the missile instantly recalculates its pursuit angle, staying locked in until impact. This is possible because of its improved onboard processing and meta-flight course correction. The 2026 system includes faster computing speed, giving the missile the ability to change its route instantly when new data is received. Modern battlefields are full of electronic noise, jamming signals, and high-speed objects trying to break the lock of incoming weapons. But this missile is built to survive all of it. Its guidance system is shielded, smart, and adaptive, allowing it to track hostile objects even if they try to hide behind terrain or use stealth technology. Once the lock is confirmed, the missile commits to the kill with relentless precision. The destructive power of this interceptor is another reason it stands above others. When it reaches its target, it carries an enormous amount of kinetic energy due to its extreme speed. This energy alone can tear apart the structure of enemy aircraft or missiles, shattering them into fragments in a split second. The designers built this weapon for situations where clean, decisive interception is needed or where missing the target is not an option, and stopping the threat must be guaranteed. Whether the enemy approaches at Mach 2 or Mach 4, this missile delivers a blow powerful enough to end the threat instantly. The 2026 version also expands the operational range of naval fleets. Installed on a warship, this missile allows commanders to secure an entire region long before the enemy enters firing distance. It protects carrier groups, destroyers, and coastal assets by engaging threats far out at sea. When a strike aircraft or cruise missile appears over the horizon, the system detects it, identifies it, and launches the interceptor with confidence. Within seconds, the missile accelerates to blistering speed, climbing, turning, and maneuvering with incredible control until it closes the distance and destroys the target in mid-air. The psychological impact of this system is undeniable. When rival forces know that a ship carries a missile with such long-range precision and high kill probability, they think twice before approaching. Power isn't only about the moment of firing, it's about shaping the enemy's decisions. A fleet protected by this missile gains more freedom to operate, more room to maneuver, and more confidence to push forward into contested zones. It forces adversaries to change plans, reroute aircraft, and maintain distance, knowing that coming too close will lead to instant destruction. What makes this missile truly remarkable is the combination of 3 missions in one weapon. It can take down aircraft from long range, it can destroy low-flying cruise missiles skimming the sea, and it can intercept ballistic targets during their final phase of descent. Traditionally, These were all separate systems requiring different launchers and different missiles, but the 2026 configuration merges them into one deadly platform. This increases flexibility, reduces the burden on ships, and gives commanders faster reaction time in emergencies. The future of warfare demands speed, intelligence, and adaptability. Hypersonic threats, stealth drones, advanced fighter jets, and saturation attacks are becoming more common, and only the strongest systems will survive. This missile is built exactly for that environment. Its sensors, software, propulsion, and aerodynamic body are all designed to respond to tomorrow's threats and not yesterday's. It is more than an upgrade, it is a statement of power and a warning to anyone who dares to challenge the forces it protects. As it launches from a warship and cuts through the sky with blazing speed, it represents the peak of technology and engineering. Every second of its flight is a race against danger, and every interception is proof of its unmatched performance. This is a weapon built not just to protect naval forces, but to dominate the airspace around them, remove incoming threats instantly, and guarantee survival in even the most intense battles. Thank you for watching Hindustan Times. If you want more videos filled with power, technology, and the most advanced weapons shaping the future of global defense, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected for more explosive content.